Guys, and welcome back. Today we are gonna make smoky tandoori chicken. Are you craving for this? Don't worry, we can make this at home. Take 1 kilo of chicken and cut it into large pieces and wash it and keep it in a bowl. Marinate the chicken with spices, ginger garlic paste and salt. Refrigerate it for 20 minutes. Make some incisions in the chicken. Now add yogurt to the marinated chicken and mix it well. You can add lemon juice in this stage, it's optional. Keep it for another 20 minutes in the room temperature. Heat a pan and spread 2 teaspoons of oil. When the oil gets hot, keep the marinated chicken in the pan. Flip the chicken pieces in between so that both sides will get cooked. Take a piece of charcoal and burn it on top of the stove. Keep the fried chicken in the bowl. Transfer the burnt charcoal to a small bowl. Pour little oil on the charcoal. See, the smoke is coming. Cover it with a lid and keep it for 5 minutes. The yummy chicken tandoori is ready. Wow, the aroma of smoke is really mouth-watering. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.